Welcome, my dear friends. Today we will do a question from exercise 14.1, probability, chapter 14, CBSE class 10 maths. So, what is probability? किसी घटना की घटित होने की संभावना को हम probability कहते हैं. How we will find out the probability? Probability find out करने के लिए उस घटना के फेवर में कितने आउटकम्स हैं और टोटल कितने आउटकम हैं. तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एन इवेंट इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स फेवरेबल टू दैट इवेंट डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स. So now question number 1. Complete the following statements. Probability of an event E plus probability of the event not E is equal to. So solution for this: 1. Because event E and event not E are complementary events and their sum is equal to 1. For example, if we throw a die has 6 faces and each face is marked by a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. So if we throw a die, and what is the probability of getting the number 1? So its probability is 1 by 6 because favorable outcomes for 1 is only 1 and total outcomes are 6. And the event not E means not getting the number 1. So what is the favorable condition or outcomes for not getting 1 are 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and total outcomes are 6. So its probability is 5 by 6, and sum of both event E and not E is equal to 1 by 5 plus 5 by 6 is equal to 6 by 6 is equal to 1. Now, second part, the probability of an event that cannot happen is such an event is called. So solution: 0, impossible event. For example, suppose a die is thrown and getting 7 in a single throw of a die is impossible. Therefore, P getting 7 is equal to 0 by 6 is equal to 0. Now, third part, the probability of an event that is certain to happen is such an event is called. So, 1. Sure event. For example, the event of getting a number less than 7 in a single throw of a die is a sure event and its probability is P is equal to P getting a number less than 7 is equal to 6 by 6 is equal to 1 because the die has all numbers less than 7. So if we throw a die, surely we get one number. So this is a sure event and its probability is 1. Now the fourth part, the sum of the probability of all the elementary events of an experiment is. So 1. An event having only one outcome of the experiment is called an elementary event. Suppose a coin is tossed, then P getting head plus P getting tail is equal to 1. Now, fifth part, the probability of an event is greater than or equal to and less than or equal to. So 0, 1. We see that number of outcomes favorable to the event is 0 or impossible for impossible event or always less than or equal for sure event to all the possible outcomes. Thus 0 less than or equal to PE for that event is less than or equal to 1. किसी भी एक्सपेरिमेंट में प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड आउट करने के लिए 3 कंडीशन बनती हैं। एक तो प्रोबेबिलिटी 0 हो सकती है, कब? जब इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट हो, और लेस देन 1 बिकॉज फेवरेबल आउटकम्स इज ऑलवेज लेस देन द टोटल आउटकम्स। और थर्ड कंडीशन बनती है कि श्योर कंडीशन। उस केस में क्या होता है कि टोटल फेवरेबल outcomes for that events and total outcomes are equal. Therefore, its probability is 1. So, thus 0 less than or equal to PE less than or equal to 1. यदि इसको समझने में आपको कहीं कोई डाउट हो तो आप कमेंट्स लिखिए, मैं उसका अप्लाई करूँगा। इसके अतिरिक्त आपके पास कोई भी क्वेश्चन ऐसा हो जो आप नहीं समझ पा रहे हैं तो कमेंट्स में लिखिए, मैं उसका वीडियो बना के अपलोड कर दूँगा। विद दिस बेस्ट ऑफ लक, थैंक यू।